Today, I'm gonna make pita chips just from scratch. These are different. I never even saw these before until they explained it on the recipe. Some of them, you can break it all apart. These are just like one piece. So all you do, I just use regular olive oil. I put some in a bowl here. I didn't measure this, I just poured it in. It looks like maybe like 1/4 of a cup. And then I'm gonna put just a little salt, mix that up. And then, just gonna go get my baking sheet. That way I can put it right on the baking sheet after. You have to put parchment paper on this and then just put the pita chips on it after. So I'm gonna put the olive oil on the whole thing, both sides, and then I'm gonna cut it with the pizza cutter. You can use a knife, doesn't matter. I just thought the pizza cutter might be easier to use, that's all. And then I'm just gonna flip it over to the other side and put the olive oil again. And then I'm gonna take the pizza cutter and just kind of cut it in half. And then you're gonna make like how pita chips look like. Then you just kind of put them, you don't have them touching each other, but you just kind of put, you know what? I'm gonna turn it this way because it looks more appetizing that way. I mean, you could make this like for some kind of lunch or something like that. You don't even have to make it as like an appetizer. And just take the next one, do the same thing. And it looks like it's gonna make plenty, so you don't have to make like, 4 tons of it. And then after I plop these in, it is 350 for about, I think it's like 12 minutes, but I checked it often just to make sure nothing was burning or anything like that. So it only took 2 pita breads. It comes like 4 pita breads. It did take about 12 minutes. You just have to keep an eyeball on them so they don't get burned or anything like that, but it doesn't take that long. I just put them on a plate like this. I mean, obviously you have to let them cool down a little bit so you don't burn your hands off or your mouth. I just bought store-bought hummus, but you could put the hummus like here, kind of like that. I guess my plate should have been bigger, but you could actually change the container and put a smaller container, or if it was like Thanksgiving, you could put it like in a little one of those little pumpkins, put it out and then put a bowl inside. That would be so cute. Oh, it's really good. It's nice warm too.